Hello. Welcome to Real-Time Trading Signals version 2.0, the Real-Time Precision Edition, the platform that generates real-time trading signals powered by artificial intelligence. Wondering how it works? It's very simple. First step, choose your category. OTC Forex for binary options, standard Forex, crypto or indices. Then select the asset you want to trade. US dollar to Japanese yen, euro to US dollar, Bitcoin or any other available asset. Next, choose your time frame. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes or more. Second step, click on Start Signals. Our system will then fetch real-time market data. Analyze 7 technical indicators. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands and more. Detect the true market trend. Automatically validate the signal to avoid errors. In just 5 to 15 seconds your signal is ready. Third step, receive your signal. A clear buy or sell signal. The confidence level, from 85% to 95%. The complete technical analysis. The entry, target and stop loss levels. For binary options it's even simpler. You only need the buy or sell signal. All our signals are based on real data. Join over 1 million traders who trust real-time trading signals.